तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायां मन्ये 40 श्लोकः पठितः। अभ्यासः न प्रारब्धः आसीत् यतोहि तत्र कोशस्थाः शब्दाः तत्र दृष्टाः एव। क्षम्यतां। कति पदानि दत्तानि? 3 पदानि दत्तानि। 3 शब्दाः दत्ताः सन्ति। त्रयाणां तत्र पर्यायपदानि बहुशः 9 पर्यायपदानि सन्ति। नाम इति शब्दस्य पर्यायपदानि दृष्टवन्तः। बुद्धिः इति शब्दस्यापि पर्यायशब्दान् दृष्टवन्तः। वचनम् इति तत्र स्थगितं। वी स्टॉप्ड हियर एट वचनम। वी I think studied vachanam. Only derivation I have given. Uchyate iti vachanam. Vacha iti dhatu paribhashane. Vacha paribhashane iti adadi ganiyaha dhatuhu ayam. This is a root verb belonging to second conjugation, and the derivation goes like this. Vakti. Sa kim vakti? What does he say? Then vakshi. Tvam vakshi. Aham vachmi. Aham samskrutam vachmi. Bhavan samskrutam vakti. Tvam samskrutam vakshi. Iti rupani bhavanti. Lat lakare. Vakti vaktaha tatra bahuvachana rupam na asti tatra. Luptam asti. Vakti vaktaha तत्र किमपि नास्ति, ब्लैंक अस्ति धातुकोशे। धातुरूपावल्यां तत्र प्रथमपुरुषस्य बहुवचनरूपं न दत्तं. The plural form of this vacha dhatu is not given in the dhatu rupavali. It is said to be defective. They are not there, form not existing. Then vakshi, vaktaha, vakta. There are 3 forms available in Madhyama Purusha. Prathama, Uttama Purusha, Vachmi, Vachvaha, Vachmaha. These are also available. But only in third person, Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana Rupam na asti iti. So that also I will write. It doesn't take much time. Important. Then we go to the Bhashitam. Very simple. It is just like the noun Bhasha. Bhashyate iti Bhasha. Because it is spoken, it is called language. Bhashitam also explains. Bhashyate iti Bhashitam. Bhasha Vektayam Vachi, etc. So both ways. The word Bhasha, Samskrita Bhasha we are saying, and defies the allegation put by some people that Sanskrit is a dead language. If Sanskrit was a dead language, let us imagine if Sanskrit were to be a dead language, how come even now people are conversing and writing literary works in Sanskrit all over India? Our own friend wrote Mahakavyas in Sanskrit. How is it possible? So to say that Sanskrit is a dead language is a ignorant statement. You say on one hand Samskrita Bhasha, and the definition of Bhasha is Bhashyate iti Bhasha, that which is spoken is a language. And Sanskrit was spoken from times of Ramayana, where Hanuman has a statement there. Yadi vacham pradasyami dvijatiriva samskrutam ravanam mam manyamana sita bhita bhavishyati. Hanuman had a doubt in which language should he converse with Sita in the Ashoka Vana garden. So he thought, if I speak yadi vacham pradasyami dvijatiriva samskrutam, like a dvijati brahmana, if I speak Sanskrit, then Sita Ravanam mam manyamana. Sita thinking me to be Ravana. Ravana was a Dvija, but a Rakshasa. Ravanam mam manyamana. Sita bhita bhavishyati. What is that? Beautiful. Sita will become bhita, frightened. If I speak in Sanskrit, so this kind, that shows a statement right from Ramayana time down to the present time, it's been spoken. Earlier also I told you, in Kashmir, Kalhana and Bilhana are their brothers, who wrote Raja Tarangini book, history of Kashmir in Sanskrit. Yatra pratyavasam vilasati samskritam prakrutam cha. In every house, samskritam prakrutam was there in Sanskrit. Yatra strinam api kim apara matru bhashavat. Apara matru bhashavat. Like another mother tongue even to the women in Kashmir. Pratyavasam vilasati samskritam prakrutam cha. So they used to speak both Sanskrit and Prakrit at the same time. Sanskrit was spoken. What was the medium of teaching in Nalanda and Takshashila universities, the world famous universities we had in India? Nalanda is right now there, again renovated. Takshashila is in Pakistan now. What was the medium there? Fayan Itsing, the Chinese travelers who visited this university, Nalanda University, he recorded that Sanskrit was the medium of instruction there. What was the court language in ancient medieval times in India? Sanskrit was the court language, the medium of argument and etc. So I am just carried by that allegation that Sanskrit is so and so etc. So Srinivas, next. Vachaha. Uchyate iti vachanam. Uchyate iti vachanam vachascha. The same definition what is given for this above. What is vachanam and uchyate, both are same. Can we proceed? I think I will write only. We stopped vacha vakti. This vacha vakti. Vachanam we have already seen, but that is the continuation. The dhatu is vacha. So to speak. So in the third conjugation, what I said? Vakti. I'm sorry, third person, second person, Vakshi. Uttama Purusha, Vachmi. Srinivas, like this it comes. Vakti, Vakshi, yeah, Vaktaha. In Dvivachanam, it is Vaktaha. And this is blank. Here it is Vaktaha. Here it is Vachvaha. Vachmaha. Here it is Vakta. So this is the Vacha dhatu. Vachmi, Bravimi, Vadami, Kathayami, Bhashe. These are all Paryaya Kruda and Tinganta Rupani. Whether you say Vachmi, whether you say Bhashe, whether you say Kathayami, whether you say Vadami, Bravimi, Brudatu, Bravimi, these are all there. Next Srinivas. We can go to the next Abhyasana. Vadeyam Napumsakalinga Prathama Vibhakti Vishaye. Okay. Avagatam Abhyasaha Chatvarimshaha Slokasya Anvayartham.
Adhikalani tani indriyani tadeva nama apratihata sa buddhihi tat eva vachanam tasya purushasya asti tathapi
Arthoshmana
virahitah saha eva purushah kshanena anyah bhavati iti etattu vichitram.
So we learnt a very good, come across a good message by Bhartruhari That Arthoshmana, I really appreciate, like this expression, Srinivas. Arthoshmana, that warmth of, wealth. Warmth of wealth. In English also you can put it very, Arthoshmana, warmth of wealth. So that is the slokasya anvayah. Dvitiya amshaha asti yatha nirdesham slokat padani sankalayata. Sankalanam karaniyam asti. Akaranta napumsakalinga prathama bahuvachana rupani rupadvayam lekhaniyamiti pustakam adishati pashyamaha. Akaranta napumsaka. Prathama bahuvachana, okay. Indriyani iti ekam padam. Indriyam, indriye, indriyani iti akaranta napumsakalinga padamasti. Indriyani. Avikalani, evameva avikalani. Akaranta napumsakalinga etach padamapi prathamayam asti bahuvachane asti. So there are two words here which are in nominative case and plural number. Indriyani is one, avikalani is two. Then what does he ask? Napumsakalinga prathama ekavachana rupani shed padani avashakani atra. Napumsakalinga idanim antam na nirdishtam prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Yasmin kasminnapi ante bhavatu nama iti. It can be ending in any of the sound. So, but it should be napumsaka and prathama ekavachana. Nama. Okay. Tani indriyani vikalani tadeva. Tad also you can take. Tat. Tat and nama. Tat is one, nama is two. Vachanam, yes, vachana shabda is three. Again tat you can take, tat four. Arthoshmana. Again that is four. Then four have come. How many is required? 6 he says. 4 Artha Ushmana Virahitaha Purushaha Saha Eva Tvanyaha Kshanena Kshana Shabd. Prathama, okay, Kshanena is not Prathama. 4 only are coming. Vichitram. Yeah, Vichitram is 1. Yeah, 4, 5. Etat is 6. Yeah, got it. Now it is like this, dear friends. Tat in the first line is 1. Nama is 2. Vachanam is 3. Again tat in the second line, last word is 4. And at the end of the sloka, if you look to the word Vichitram etat, Vichitram is 5, etat is 6. So in this way you have 6 Shad Padani Tatra Napumsakalinge Prathama Vibhakto Ekavachane Santi. Idanim Strilinga Pada Padatrayam Strilinga Shabdaha Prathama Ekavachana Rupani. Strilinge Indriyani Vikalani Tameva Nama Sa iti. Dvitiya Pankto Sa. Sa is Strilinga. You can take that. Then Prathama Ekavachana Strilinga. Buddhihi. Yes. Next is Buddhihi. Buddhihi is Strilinga Shabda. Prathama Ekavachana. And if you take the adjective of Buddhi also, Apratihata. Apratihata is the third one. So Strilinga Shabdas are 3 here, which have been covered here. One is Sa, which is a pronoun. Tat Shabda. Buddhihi. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Buddhihi. Prathama Ekavachanam Rupam. Evameva Buddhi. Buddhehe. Buddhiriti Shabdasya Visheshana Shabdam. Visheshana Padam. Visheshana Shabdaha ya vartate. Tat Padamasti. Apratihata. Idam api padam tatra prathamayam asti parantu strilinge asti. Evam त्रीणि पदानि स्त्रीलिंगे प्रथमा एकवचने सन्ति. सा बुद्धिः अप्रतिहता. अनन्तरं श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूरणम्. अर्थोष्मणा डैश पुरुषः अन्यः भवति। अर्थोष्मणा विरहितः पुरुषः स एव अन्यः भवति इति भवति। सो यू कैन चेक द श्लोक। अर्थोष्मणा विरहितः पुरुषः स एव अन्यः भवति, ही ओनली बिकम्स डिफरेंट इति एकम। नेक्स्ट इज तानि डैश डैश सन्ति। सो व्हाट डू यू फिल अप हियर? तानि इंद्रियाणि अविकलानि सन्ति। तानि इंद्रियाणि अविकलानि सन्ति इति तत्र पादपूर्णं द्वयोः स्थाने तत्र in two places you have to fill up this तानि अविकलानि इति। तानि इंद्रियाणि अविकलानि सन्ति, क्षम्यतां। then third one सा dash dash अस्ति। सा बुद्धिः अप्रतिहता अस्ति। सा बुद्धिः अप्रतिहता अस्ति इति तत्र तृतीयम्। अन्तिमः अंशः तत् डैश अस्ति। तत् किमस्ति? तत् अस्ति। तत् अस्ति एव अस्ति। I think you only need to fill in with eva. Tadeva asti, tat eva asti. So this way you can do the, sorry, kshamyatam, tritiya amsha api sampannaha. So arthoshmana, that is done, we have already. Virahitaha purushaha अन्यः क्षणेन अन्यः भवति। क्षणेन अन्यः भवति। सॉरी, तानि इंद्रियाणि अविकलानि सन्ति। सा बुद्धिः अप्रतिहता अस्ति। एंड लास्ट वन तत् तत् एव अस्ति। सो इन दिस वे थर्ड वन इज फोर्थ वन कोष्टकस्थेभ्यः पदेभ्यः उचितं पदं स्वीकृत्य रिक्तस्थाने योजयतु। सो यू नो यू मल्टिपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन दिस इज पुरुषः डैश अन्यः भवति। सो वी पिक अप हियर पुरुषः क्षणेन अन्यः भवति, नाट शीघ्रेण, नाट ज्ञानेन, बट क्षणेन। देन तत् तत् डैश एव नाम तदेव। इट इज नॉट धाम, इट कांट बी क्षाम। सो तत् नाम एव। सो you pick up nama. Arthena dash purushaha. You can't use gataha, you can't use vichalitaha, therefore virahitaha. Arthena virahitaha purushaha iti. Then we have the fifth one, point. Visheshanani likata. You have got to write the adjectives here. Indriyani, just look back once again, those who have the books. Indriyani, कीदृशानि इंद्रियाणि इति पृष्ठे two, you need to have two adjectives here. Tani is one, avikalani is two. Tani indriyani avikalani. अविकलानि इति एकं विशेषणमस्ति इंद्रिय शब्दस्य। तानि इति अन्यत् विशेषणमस्ति। तानि इति सर्वनाम शब्दः विशेषणत्वेन प्रयुक्तः। सो दैट इज ओवर। देन वी हैव अप या बुद्धिः। बुद्धि इति शब्दस्य विशेषणपदानि पदम एकमेव पदम। कीदृशा बुद्धिः, कीदृशी बुद्धिः, कीदृशी बुद्धिः। अप्रतिहता, अप्रतिहता बुद्धिः, बुद्धिः अप्रतिहता। इंद्रियाणि इतः पूर्वम् उक्तम्, तानि अविकलानि इति। अनन्तरं पुरुषः इति शब्दस्य विशेषणपदं किमस्ति? पुरुषः। सः विरहितः, विरहितः पुरुषः, deprived person, विरहितः पुरुषः. So विरहितः is the विशेषण for पुरुष. षष्ठांशः समासनाम च लेखनं. तत्र अविकलानि, अविकलानि, न विकलानि अविकलानि इति पृष्ठ पठितमस्माभिः. न विकलानि अविकलानि न तत्पुरुष समासः. अनन्तरमस्ति अप्रतिहता न प्रतिहता, पुनः न तत्पुरुष समासः. अर्थोष्मण, अर्थस्य उष्मण, अर्थोष्मण इति षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. तेन अर्थोष्मण इति. एवं षष्ठांशः अपि सुसम्पन्नः भवति. सप्तमांशः अस्ति कृत् प्रत्यय निर्देशपूर्वकं श्लोकस्थानि कृदन्तानि पदानि लिखत. सो कृदन्तानि इदानीं लेखनीयं. कृत् प्रत्यय निर्देशपूर्वकं कति पदानि? 4 पदानि. 4 आवश्यकानि. अप्रतिहता इति एकं पदं, वचनम् इति अन्यत् पदं, विरहितः इति अन्यत् पदं. परन्तु अत्र कति अन्यदेकं पृष्ठमस्ति, अन्यत् पश्यतु. मया 3 उक्तानि. कृत् प्रत्यय निर्देशकपूर्वं श्लोकस्थानि पदानि तानि सन्ति. अप्रतिहता इति एकं, वचनमिति विरहिता, विरहितः इति अन्यत्. परन्तु पुस्तके तत्र 4 आवश्यकानि सन्ति. 4 आर् रिक्वैर्ड् इन् द बुक्. बुक् सेस्, यु फैण्ड्? Anyway, it's okay. Not a big thing. Then you move on to Sandhi Vicheda. Krutva Sandhi Namalekhanam. Tani Indriyani.
Tani plus Indriyani.
Savarnadika. Tadeva.
Tat plus eva.
Jastva. Vyanjana Sandhi. Indriyani Avikalani.
Indriyani plus Avikalani.
Yanadesha. Buddhir Apratihata.
Buddhi plus Apratihata.
Arthoshmana
Artha
plus Ushmana. Ushmana. Arthoshmana. Gunasandhi. Anantaram Saeva.
Saha plus eva.
Visarga Lopasa. Tvanyaha.
Tu plus anyaha.
Yanadesha. Bhavati iti.
Bhavati plus iti.
Savarnadika. श्लोके अस्मिन् किं वृत्तं? वृत्तं जानाति खलु? वसन्ततिलका वृत्तमस्ति, परन्तु इतः पूर्वं यदि ज्ञातं चेत् श्लोकस्य सारांशं लेखनीयं, तद् दर्शयतु. इतः पूर्वम् उट्टङ्कितं टैप्ड् मैटर्. Page 287 is there. We have not shown. It is attached in the same one page. It is attached with page number, I will tell you. Page number 280, you open. 280. 280 and 87 together there. Got it?
Yeah.
Patat.
सकलानि सर्वाणि इन्द्रियाणि ज्ञानकर्मेन्द्रियाणि
श्रोत्रत्वक्चक्षुजिह्वानासिका ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि
वाक् हस्तपादपायु उपस्थ कर्मेन्द्रियाणि तानि एव कर्म क्रिया तदेव.
Okay, it's big. Sakal, oh, there is a mistake. Sakalani sarvani. Sakalani iti printed. Sakalani sarvani indriyani. Jnana karmi indriyani. Indriyani means there are jnana indriyas and karmi indriyas. There are karmi indriyas here spelled out. First, jnana karmi indriyani. Jnana indriyas. Srotram, ear. Tvak, the skin. Chakshu, the eye. Jihva, the tongue. Nasika, the nose. These are the Jnanendriyas through which you cognize things, through which you know things. You know things by listening, by seeing, by touching, by tasting, and by smelling. Jnanendriya. So they are Vak, Hasta, Payu, Pada, Payu, Upastha. Vak is speech, Karmendriyani. Vak, Hasta is hand, Pada is foot, Payu is anus, the excretory organ, and Upastha, organ of production. So these are the 5 Karmendriyas. Vagastha, Pada, Payu and Upastha. Karmendriya. Tani eva karma kriya tadeva. That means every human being is endowed with these 10 senses. 5 Jnanendriyas and 5 Karmendriyas are the same for everybody. Tani eva, when they are the same. Karma kriya tadeva. Karma, we have taken karma here, nama is there in the text, nama. Name or action is the same thing, eva. Then you read.
Apratihata akunthita sa buddhi purva sadrushi prajna.
So, buddhi is also just like what it used to be, without any change. Apratihata, without any hindrance, obstructed. Sa buddhi purva sadrushi prajna. So it is just like it was. Like Indriyas are the same, means they are same what they were like earlier. Buddhi is the same what it was earlier. Tadeva. And Vachanam Uktihi, Tadeva Vachanam means same speech. The way one speaks now, the way he used to speak the same way. Yeah, Uktihi. But
Arthoshmana dhanasya ushnataya virahitaha shunyah san.
Yeah, but Arthoshmana virahitaha dhanasya ushmana ushnataya virahitaha. But a man devoid of, without the warmth of wealth, Shunyaha, he becomes empty, becoming empty. Saeva, the same person, avayavaihi sampannaha purusha kshanena bhinnaha bhavati iti vichitram. So, Saeva Purvavadeva, the man who has been the same all through, Hastapadadya Avayavaihi, containing, having Hastapada and Indriyas, explained above, Avayavaihi Sampannaha, endowed, Purushaha, man, Kshanena, in a moment, Nimesha Matrena, Kshanena, Nimesha Matrena, at a flick of a blink of your eye, Anyaha Bhinnaha Bhavati, becomes different. In just a moment, he becomes the same person, becomes a different person. Iti vichitram, aschariyakaram.
Tasmat purushena artho
Avashyam, artaha avashyam.
Artho avashyam arjaniya iti saraha.
So what is the essence of this sloka? Tasmat, therefore, purushaha, purushena, by man, artha avashyam arjaniyaha. Money must and should be earned by every man. That is Purushartha. Purushasya artha. In Purushartha, artha is there. Although Purusharthas are 4, it starts with, the very word incorporates in it artha, money factor. Dharmartha, Kama, Moksha are supposed to be Purusharthas. But in the word Purushartha, artha is there. See the significance of artha there from the point of view of Bhartrhari. So, tasmat purushena artho artha avashyam arjaniyah must be sampaditavyah. Arjaniyah nama sampaditavyah iti sarah.
Dhanam sharirinam paramavashyakamiti
Gneyamatra. Dhanam sharirinam, to all the embodied people. That means money to the worldly people, all the worldly people. Parama avashyakam, it is of the utmost importance. Iti gneyam, one should know. What should be known from this poem is that money to all men is of utmost importance, and don't neglect making money. Understand? Otherwise you become a different man. Otherwise what? If one does not earn money, then he becomes a different man. Yeah, we can go to the next point. एकचत्वारिंशः श्लोकः उपजाति वृत्तं बहुकालानन्तरं. This is not upajati, matra chandasati. Page 47, those who have to go to see this chandas. 47, what is the poem? It is given in where Indravajra and Upendravajra ekasmin yatra Indravajra Upendravajrayoho ekasmin shloke melanam bhavati tada tat chandah upajatihi iti uchyati. Upajatihi Chaturdasha Vedaha Sambhavanti. We will not go into detail. There are 14 varieties of this Upajati. This is a very famous Subhachita of Bhartrhari. You can read it.
यस्यास्ति वित्तं स नरः कुलीनः स पण्डितः स श्रुतवान् गुणज्ञः स एव वक्ता स च दर्शनीयः सर्वे गुणाः काञ्चनमाश्रयन्ति.
There is one asterisk put there, down there. Ashrayante iti patha bedaha asti. Ashrayanti or ashrayante doesn't matter. One is Parasmayapadi, another is Atmanipadi. Here is Parasmayapadi used. So, padachedam kurmaha. Yasya asti vittam saha naraha kulinaha. Again, continuation of the thought, purushartha, artha prashamsa. Artha prashamsa idanim api kriyate is going on, done now. Saha naraha kulinaha sa panditaha saha panditaha yasya पुरुषस्य समीपे वित्तं भवति धनमस्ति सः कुलीनः यद्यपि कुकुले जातः भवति परन्तु स कुलीनः इति उक्तः सः पंडितः इति कथ्यते यद्यपि पण्डा नास्ति तस्मिन् तस्य बुद्धौ तस्य मनसि तस्य हृदये काचिदपि पंडा पंडा नाम सदसद व्यक्ति तत्र सदसद ज्ञान वैशिष्ट्यं विशेषता यस्मिन् भवति स पंडितः इति कथ्यते पंडा यस्य भवति स पंडितः भवति पंडा नाम सदसद सत् सदसदोः भेदं यः जानाति किं सत् किम् असत् इति किमात्मा अथवा किम अनात्मा इति यः ज्ञातुं पारयति प्रभवति तादृश पुरुषः एव पंडितः इति. सो ही इज कॉल्ड पंडित लर्नड मैन. सः श्रुतवान् ही इज आल्सो सपोज्ड to be called otherwise called by the people Shrutavan, highly learned person of the Vedas. Gunagnaha, he also is attributed with the quality of Gunagnaha, means he knows all the qualities. He is a great quality knower. Gunagnaha means what do you say? Not Rasagnaha. Rasagnaha is different. Gunagnaha means one who can appreciate the merits of others. Saeva Vakta, and even if he can't speak one sentence grammatically correct, that person will be called Vakta. Whatever he says, people go on clapping because he is a moneyed man. Saha cha darshaniyah, and however ugly he may be, jet black he may be, however ugly, and people call him, oh, what a handsome man. Why? Yasyasti vittam, that should be brought into. Sarve, so at the end Bhartrihari says, Sarve gunaha kanchanam ashrayanti. All the qualities like atra varnitaha gunaha, kulinasya gunaha, panditasya gunaha, shrutavataha gunaha, gunagnasya gunaha, vaktuhu gunaha, saundaryasya gunaha, ete sarve gunaha kanchanam dhanam ashrayanti. So if you have money, so this is also true to a great extent, Srinivas, we cannot deny. Now we see in India only, a very rich man, he becomes automatically, because of riches, a political leader also. And then he begins to be respected. He will be called a handsome man, he speaks all nonsense, he will be called a speaker. Then he say, whatever irrelevant things he speaks, oh, he is a learned man, they say. Then although he is born in an ordinary family, then he say he is a very great, he comes from a very royal family. All these things are attributed. What do you call in Gunaropana, just like in your Vedanta, Adhyasa, Dosharopana, not Gunaropana here. So all Gunaropana will take place. And people, because only money is there, just because of money. You see pada paricayam. Yasya. Ekavachanam. Asti, asa. You know the all forms, na? Asti, asi, sthaha, stha, asmi, swaha, smaha. Aham asmi, swaha, avam, swaha. Vittam, saha. This is coming several times, tad. Naraha, akara, kuliraha. Visheshanam, saha, again come, you need not read again. Panditaha. Saha, you can, same. Shrutavan. Gunagnaha. Saha, skip. Eva, avyayam. Vakta. Vaktru shabda. Vakta, vaktaro, vaktaraha. There is a joke, na? Sometimes I tell you. Vaktaraha kim karishyanti yadi srotaraha na vidyanti. Vaktaraha kim karishyanti yadi srotaraha na vidyanti. It is like Nagna Kshapanaka Deshe Rajakaha Kim Karishyati. Nagna Kshapanaka Deshe Rajakaha Kim Karishyati. What will a washerman do in a country where all naked sadhus are there, naked monks are there? You will have no work to do. So you have to speak, you should have audience. So that Vaktru Shabda recalls that Subhashita. Yeah. Trucha and Pullinga Pratama Ekavachanam. Saha repeated, sa cha avyayam darshaniya. Sarve. Samanaha Pratama. Trishu lingeshu, no Samanana. Akarantaha asti, Trishu lingeshu vartate. Sarva shabdaha Trishu lingeshu bhavati. Sarva iti akaranta Pullinga shabdaha. Sarva स्त्रीलिंग से सर्वा सर्वे सर्वाः इति स्त्रीलिंगे पुल्लिंगे सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे इति भवति नपुंसके सर्वं सर्वे सर्वाणि इति भवति त्रिलिंगकः प्रथमा बहुवचनं सर्वे गुणाः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग काञ्चनं आश्रयन्ति लट् शिन् धातु why has he given set? Okay, that is so far not given. Set is a different. Okay, Ubhayapadi. Ashrayanti and also Ashrayante. That is Akamsham. Srinivas. Kulinaha. Born in a well born, noble born. Kulinaha means a noble born is called Kulinaha. Okay? So, Kaha Kulinaha, who is a noble born?
Saha naraha kulinaha.
That person is a noble born. Kidrushaha saha naraha kulinaha, what type of? That man is a noble man.
Yasya vittam asti saha naraha kulinaha.
Here, not only Tagore is a noble man. One need not be born in a Tagore's family to become a noble man. If you earn money, then you are called a noble man. So I think society has changed a lot since our Bhartrihari wrote this, but not facts. I mean, the other reality is the same. Even today, after thousands of years, people give weightage and importance to significance to money only, and people who possess money. That is it. Yasya vittam asti sa naraha kulinaha. That man who has got wealth is a noble man. Noble born. Yasya vittam asti sa naraha kulinaha kidrushaha.
No, punaha
Kidrushaha sa naraha kulinaha. Again, what type of noble born is he?
Yasya vittam asti saha naraha panditaha.
Yasya vittam asti
Saha
naraha pandita. Next quality that is imposed. Adhyaropitam. Vitte. न वित्ते तत्र धनिकस्य उपरि. Another second quality is that yasya vittam asti, the man who has wealth, saha naraha, that person, panditaha, automatically is a pandita. It is like, sometimes I really wonder, these film stars, how qualified some of them are, we don't know, but they are given doctorates. We work hard so much to get one PhD, and they are given doctorates, literature. Universities sometimes give them doctorates. So this is like, because they have money, they have acting, they have fans and all. So yasyasti vittam sa naraha panditaha. So doctorate birudu is given. Okay, yasya vittam asti sa naraha punaha kidrusha. Again, the man who has got money, how is he like?
Yasya vittam asti naraha shrutavan.
Shrutavan is to be differentiated from Pandita, slightly differentiated. Shrutavan is one who is well read in the Vedas, Vedic scholar. He is also called Vedic scholar. If he quotes one line, then he knows Sanskrit. If he knows Sanskrit, then he is a Vedic scholar. Then yasya vittam asti saha naraha punaha kidrusha. Again, what type of person is he who has got the money?
Yasya vittam asti naraha gunajnaha.
Saha gunajnaha. He is an appreciator of all the good qualities. He knows what is good and what is bad because he has money with him. So that is next. Yasya vittam asti sa naraha punaha kidrusha. Again, what type of person is he?
Yasya vittam asti sa naraha eva vakta.
He is only speaker. Now here stress is given. Eva vakta. This is very, very easily applicable to our Indian audience. Sometimes they come to speak on the stage, they speak all nonsense and people clap. And chala baga matladandri. I am sorry to say that. You have spoken very well. He keeps getting such feedback also. Yasya vittam asti sa naraha punaha kidrusha. He who has the money, again, what type of is he?
Yasya vittam asti sa naraha darshaniya.
Another great quality that is imposed upon this money person, darshaniyata, handsomeness. He who has money is called a very handsome man. Like I said, however ugly he may look like. Ashrayanti, resort. Resort or depend. Ke ashrayanti, what resort or what depend upon? Gunaha ashrayanti. They take shelter. Literally it means shelter. Ashrayanti. The qualities take shelter. Qualities take shelter means temporarily. You should understand that. In a man who has got money, कीदृशाः गुणाः आश्रयन्ति? What type of qualities take shelter? Sarve guna, all qualities. Now Bhartrihari has listed a few here. You can incorporate many more qualities here. All these qualities take shelter in him. Just because he is a moneyed man. Just because he is a man with power. Power also same thing. We see. A powerful man will be praised, he will be called. The same poem can be applied to a Yasyasti Prabhutvam Sanarak Kulinaha Sapanditaha Sasrutavan. Like that you can say. Sarve Gunaha Kim Ashrayanti. What do all the qualities, where do all the qualities resort or shelter?
Sarve Gunaha Kanchanam Ashrayanti.
So, Kanchanam. Now here is not the person but the Kanchanam he says. All qualities take shelter onto the gold. Literally gold. Gold means money. Money means wealth. So all qualities come to the wealth automatically. Anvayartham.
Yasya vittam asti saha naraha kulinaha.
Yasya vittam asti saha naraha kulinaha. The man who has money is a noble man, noble born.
Saha panditaha saha shrutavan gunajnaha.
He is considered as a learned person, Shrutavan, a well-informed Vedic scholar, Gunagnaha, appreciator of good qualities, Saheva. He only is considered as a speaker.
Sahaja darshaniyaha.
He is considered as a handsome person.
Sarve gunaha kanchanam ashrayanti.
All the qualities listed here and many more unlisted, take shelter onto gold or wealth. Gold is nothing but wealth. Padartham, Srinivas. Yasya.
Yasya janasya.
Vittam dhanam asti.
Vidyate.
Bhavati vidyate vartate saha.
Saha purushaha.
That person. Naraha manushyaha.
Manushyaha.
Kulinaha.
Shrestha
Kulotpannaha. Of a noble, is a noble born. Noble origin, noble born is better. Saha.
Saha purushaha.
Panditaha.
Prajnaha.
Vidwan. Learned. Saha, he is Shrutavan.
Jnani. Jnani.
Jnani. Well learned, highly learned in the Vedas. Gunagnaha.
Gunaveta.
That is appreciator of virtues or merits, qualities. Saha, he only. Eva Kevalam. Vakta.
Vangmi.
Vangmi. Orator. Speaker. Saha.
Saha purushaha.
Cha apicha. Darshaniyaha.
Drashtum yogyaha sundaraha.
Darshaniya nama Sundaraha. Drashtum yogya. He is fit to be looked at for his ugliness. Darshaniya. Sarve
Samastaha.
gunaha
Sadgunaha.
kanchanam hiranyam ashrayanti.
Avalambya tishtanti.
So, sarve gunaha kanchanam avalambya tishtanti. They naturally have a tendency to take shelter into money, onto money. That is what he said. Yeah, bhavartham padito.
Yasya samipe dhanamasti sayeva naraha uttama kulotpannaha.
Pannaha. A man who has money, he is only considered as the man born in the noble family.
Sayeva vidvan shastragno gunagrahi vangmi sundarasya bhavati.
Sayeva, he only will be considered as Vidwan, learned, Shastragnaha, scientist, otherwise Gunagrahi, knower of all qualities, Vangmi, a speaker. There is Vagmi, double Ga has come, one is required actually. Vangmi, Sundarascha, and handsome fellow.
Yatohi sarve gunaha kanchanameva ashrayanti.
Because all qualities take shelter unto take shelter in only wealth, in the gold.
Evam dhanavatam adaram yaha samajah karoti tadrusha samajasya chintana ritim kavihi atra varnitavan.
So, evam dhanavatam adaram yaha samajah karoti. So, the society which gives respect to the rich people in this manner, evam, in this way, adaram yaha samajah karoti, tadrusha samajasya chintana ritim. So the poet is exposing the way of thinking, the manner of thinking of the society, which views and which considers the rich people in this manner. Okay. तादृश समाजस्य चिंतन रीतिं कविः अत्र वर्णयति. He has described only the thinking process of the society. How do people in society think about the rich people? That is what is expressed here. There is no derogatory, insulting statement against anybody. Shubham Bhuyat.